Don't look, Hunter.
Probably knows better, bro. I gotta actually put my helmet on tag. The fuck it moved. I can't even get it. Whoa, shit. 1 second. I can't even get the fucking thing to. Oh, my helmet's not working either. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, I've seen a bed for some reason. Wait a second. Second, it's almost ready. The hammer, do you have the hammer? Okay, pal, what's up? Fucking suck, yo. I actually do work contrary to popular belief, yeah, so. What's this, pal? Well, some old shit, yo. Don't want to melt through. Truck is the melt through king after all. Got that, bro. Tack that shit, yo.
Did you just say tap or tack?
Tack that shit. I'm using thin metal out of a modern car door for reinforcement plate so it doesn't melt through like a motherfucker. Make it real literally. There's some thick stuff. Yeah, melt makes it melt through a bit. There, you gotta kind of stop, not melt through you some bit. Fuck. Okay, good. Chop this with the hammer. Careful. Truck's a little fragile yet. I ain't gonna be gentle with it, bro. I gotta stuff to push the metal down while I'm doing this. Maybe not. Just there was a gap there. Boy, something. Yeah, I don't like that. It's a bit of a gap. Okay, that should work. Oh, it melted through some bit. Not melting through you, some bit. Go. That's fine like that. Let's give it a little tap. Careful. Okay, just a couple more taps. Should be all right, pal. The modern car door melt through, okay?
That's good.
Yeah, man, melts through easy. Not melting through something.
Don't watch Daddy. Close your eyes, sweet.
Now that's got to be good enough. Keeps melting through on me. What am I gonna do, yo?
Don't know, bro.
I kind of hold it there like that while I'm doing it. Now I'm trying my best, yo.
There's our little supervisor.
I need a pair of vice grips, Mom. Hold that in. A pair of vice grips over there, Bob? Pair of vice grips, please, Bob. Ring. You gotta go back with your mother. We're recording a video for YouTube. I'll tell you when to record. This will be effing fine. Fucking suck.
You're under arrest.
I'll be like, whoa.
Hi, Hunter. Mom's just kidding.
Oh yeah, I'll do an evil voice. Never done that. Or fucking suck. What sounds funny? You fucking suck. Or fucking.
Yep.
One thing.
Bagel.